Hi, my name is Karin and I'm going to show you a very nice haircut today. Jill asked me to cut her hair, and first we talked about the fringe or some layers, but I felt that she's longing for a bigger change. And if you like that, give me a thumb up. Have fun! I will not show you the haircut step by step or in detail, because I think a hairstyle like that should be cut by a very, very good hairdresser. But what I will show you is how to style your new haircut. I'm done with the haircut and I love it. And she loves it too. You can use some wax and just mold it and let it dry like that so it still has this wet look. You can use your hands, so it's gonna be more wild, or you can use a brush like this. Please don't use like round brush and really blow dry it so it has a lot of volume. It looks like you have a balloon on your head, and nobody wanna have a balloon head, right? Don't blow dry it to the back, or just go in with a blow dryer like this. It will mess up everything. So always blow dry it in the direction you want to wear it. I blow dry it now from this side to this side and from this side to this side, just to get this messy effect. Now it's very fluffy, and a lot of women come to me and tell me, oh, my hair is not structured or it does not look so defined. But you always have to use a product afterwards. Even my hair, I use a product. If not, it's too fluffy. And I love the Kevin Murphy products, so I'm gonna use some Kevin Murphy now for her. And it's a natural style fiber cream, and maybe use that much, not more. So more product does not help. It does not make it heavy. Kevin Murphy products never makes the hair heavy, but it does not make sense to use more than this. So this is fine. Then really put it everywhere. If you just have it here, it does not help. So you put it in your hands and then really put it in the hair. It's such a nice smell. So this is one way to wear this haircut. You see the side, this part you really style to the front and this one to the back. And you can do it. It's nothing difficult, believe me. It's a hairstyle, you just go and then it's fine. Of course you have to get used to it. To make a quick change, I just use the straightener. So a lot of women think, oh, I can't do anything with the short hair. I just can wear it in one style, and that's not true. Second style, and it was fast. If you don't want to do it to the side, very fast again, and you have another style. So you just take a strand and bend it to the outside, little outside wave. If you like it, I'm very happy about a thumb up. And if you like, you can subscribe. And there is no rule, you know, if you want to have this side to the back and the other one in the front, just do it. If you want to part it to the side, do it. You can make little hair accessory in here as well. Pretty. Put the hairband in. Pretty as well. So just play around. Look at this. It looks amazing. That's it for today, and definitely we're gonna see Jill again because I'm gonna do some makeup tutorial on her. And for today we say bye bye.